Hello, guys, welcome to today's video. I am Cyan Roy from NKR Academy Digital Solutions. I have more than 10 years of experience in digital marketing and web development. We have completed more than 1,000 of projects across 16 different verticals. Today I will show you how to develop a website for free. You don't need to pay for even hosting or domain. You will learn how to set up an entire site with pop-ups and inquiry form. Stay tuned till the end of the video. And please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos.
Hello and welcome guys to another tutorial from NKR Academy Digital Solutions. I am Shayan. Today I will be teaching you on Wix site, and basically Wix site offers you free websites, that is you don't require to buy even the domain or the hosting or any part as you like, and you can still build a professional looking functional website, fully functional website like this. Now this is for example a travel website. You can see here there are multiple pages and there are multiple numbers and everything is there, and you can see these are animated things happening over here. As we scroll down, we are seeing different things getting animated. You can see there is a contact form, there are different tours, and there are different testimonials, and all sections are there. There is booking section as well, there is contact us as well. So if you click on go, you will land into the landing page just like this, where you can get all the details, where to call. You can fill up this form and submit for any tour that you like to book. Okay, and here in the destinations you can go and check out what the destinations are for the travel, right? Like here you can see there is a slideshow as well. So this is happening all within the same thing, and these are all again animated, and you can, for each there is a book now section, on clicking of which you will get a form like this, and you can fill up this form, and when you hit submit, it gets submitted. So guys, this is the way Wix website can work. It is in all respect, it can be worked as a total website which have all the features that you can imagine of having by paying maybe some huge dollars in other platforms, right? You need to buy a domain, then you need to buy a hosting, and then you need to pay to the designer and do all of these things. Today I will be showing you how you can develop a website of this kind without even needing to buy a domain or a hosting, or need to pay any designer a bit, because it's a drag and drop tool. You can do it easily. There is no prior experience required, there is no coding knowledge required to do it. I will show you by doing it from the scratch. So I will join you on this tutorial, and so just watch out this tutorial till the end, and I am sure you will be able to make a website by yourself at the end of this tutorial. Okay, so within this tutorial, for the very first step, you need to log into the Wix. For that, you need to open your browser, and in the address bar you can type wix.com as I am doing. Okay, it will be something like this. So you can hit on the sign in. Now since I have a login, my user ID and password is coming up like this. If you are new, you can use the sign up as well right here, right? Okay, so I have my user ID and password set in here. I will press the login. Okay, then this is the dashboard of Wix, right? You can see I have created some sites which are right here. Now what I will do for you is I will create a new site from the scratch. So I will hit a create a new site. Always remember, Wix by default takes the web address, the email address from which you had created the Wix account, and it will come under that address, right? Okay, here Wix is wanting to know which kind of thing it is. You better click others, and from there you can select a template, or you can do it from scratch as well. I will show you using a template. There are numerous number of templates in here which you can use, right? So just try anything you want, means depending on your niche, and maybe a interior designer, very common, right? Okay, so there are many things that are coming. So this one looks good. Okay, so I will take this and hit the edit. Okay guys, so there is the template. You can see it has loaded with some predefined images and sections. Now you need to edit this to our purpose, right? This is the name. So you just need to select this. You will find here edit text. You can add a text of your choice, whatever you want. You can change the theme type so that it looks better, and then you can add whatever this is, A B C D interiors. Okay, so for everything you can do this. If you want to add an animation to it, you can click here and you can choose the type of animation you want. You can do bouncing so that there is a bouncing effect whenever it comes. This is your menu. I will come to the menu a little later, right? Okay, now what if I need to change this design? Okay, so I will go to design, and in the design I will check the blue one. You can see here it becomes blue, right? So whatever I choose here, it will grow to the same thing. If I choose a little transparent, then it will become a little transparent. So it's all about drag and drop, as I already said, right? Okay, next is how to change this picture that is coming here. You can click on this picture, anywhere on this picture you like, and you can see a change image option is coming. You can click on this, and on clicking you can either upload it from the site files itself, okay, or you can have from Wix or Shutterstock, or from your desktop as well. So I will click on the media. I can choose Facebook, Instagram, and anywhere I want. I will go to my computer and I will click on the upload from computer, and I will choose any file from there, right? So once it has come, you can crop, you can adjust as well, and you just hit the choose image, and you can see the image has changed. Now depending on what you want to do, you can easily change this image around. You can play around with this. So for now I am changing it for interior one. I will show you how can we do it from Wix. So let's go to Wix. You can see from there I can go to Wix, and from Wix I will search interior font. Okay, so I will select a nice looking one, whatever I feel is looking good. Anything, an interior of a restaurant or anything you like, interior design, and I will choose that. You can see the entire thing has changed. So this is the way you need to do it, on depending on how it looks and how you want it to look. Okay, next here you can change the credits, footer credits. This can be done easily. You can just double click it and change it by editing like a text editor, right? Now suppose I want this to be edited and I need my name to be put on here. So created with Wix, created by Cheyenne, right? And this is ABCD interiors, created by Cheyenne, right? Okay, and now if I want to give my link, I can do this right in this way. I have to select a web address, and there I can write https nkracademy.com. So done. Now whenever some guy goes here and clicks it, they will land into my website. So this is the way that you can do hyperlinking. This is the way you can change text. I have shown you how to change images. Okay, now I will show you how you can add forms and all those. Before that, we will go to the horizontal menu, and in the menu we can click on the manage menu. If you want to make any changes in the menu, you can see here. By default, every page that you have will be shown in the menu. If you want any page to be deleted, like say I want our story to be deleted, I can click on this and I can hit the delete, or I can, if I like, I can do rename, or if I like, I can hide from the menu. So the page will stay there, but it will be not shown in the menu, right? I can also hit delete. Like in this way, I can also, and here as you can see that I can even animate the menu as well. The menu will come in like this, it will expand, or I can make it float, or I can make it fade. Anything and everything I want, I can do with this. I can play around and do it like this. Okay. Next, if I want, I can have it stretched. stretch to full window. Yes, I can, but this is not looking good, so let it happen like it was before, right? Next, I can hit on the design. Here I can change the design of the menu. I can do it like this. I can look at this. Anything from the designs that we have. This is our default designs. You can do anything which looks good, anything which you want, or you can customize even the current design and change the colors, the corners, shadows, text, spacing, everything you like. So it's very much customizable. There is nothing like it's template oriented. Yes, it's template oriented, but you can customize the template to your own choices and own needs so that it creates a unique feeling. Okay, next you can hit on the layout. On the layout, you can have the same, all the items are the same size. If you click it, then all the items will be same. If you uncheck it, then it will be different, right? And this way you can change it, play around with these options to see how exactly it fits, right? Once this is complete, once your first page is okay, here I have the social bar as well. In the social bar you can configure it. You can hit the set social links. Okay, once it comes, you can select the social links you want. Like here, it's a Facebook icon. It is linked to this page. You can go in here and change it with your personalized link, right? Similar happens for Twitter. You can also add other icons for Instagram, maybe for Pinterest, maybe for Amazon, maybe whatever you like. You can add. There is a plentiful amount of social apps that they are linked with, so you can have any and everything linked with you. So guys, suppose now I want to add a section within this. Okay, within this first page, I want to add a section. How can I do that? Within this our story page, I want to add a section. So my requirement is I want to add a section, say a slideshow. How can I do that? For that, I need to go on this plus sign, add. I click on it, and upon clicking, I will get these all options. These are all different options that I have. For this moment, I am showing you how to add a gallery of image. Okay, slider gallery. Then I will select a slider type, and you can see this has been added. So I will drag this and place this as required. You can see it has been placed right as required. Now I want it to be full, so I will do like this. So now if I want to change the content of this, then I need to click on this, right click, and you hit the change images. On the change images, you can find there are certain images out here already. You can let it be for this. This is a illustrative example that I am giving. In your case, you must be having some images already. You can display them, or you can hit on the add images, and from the uploaded sites you can already add those images and add them to gallery, and you can see it has been added, right? So you can click done, and then you can also click on the settings, and here in the settings you can select how it will happen. Do you have a play button, or do you autoplay on loading? Yes, if you do that, then there comes an option how long between images. I am keeping that as 1 point, or say I am doing this really fast. Okay, 0.4 second. Okay, so auto crop and fit, I will use them fit. Okay, so that there happens to be fit all time, and that's it. Those are the changes I will make. So once you go to this live site, you will see this changing automatically. Here it will not happen because we are in the developer panel. Okay, so I have shown you how to add a gallery. Now let me show you some other parts that we have here. You can add shape. Shape means anything like this. You can add for your betterment of the site if you like. You can add strips. This is very important, guys. From the strip you can add team, you can add services, you can add a welcome page, you can add a contact us, you can add about us, and everything, testimonials, everything is within there. Suppose we want a welcome. So this one. and you can see it has already come in here. So you can have your brand here and you can align this to your read mode. You can link it to anyone you want it to link, right? And then people by clicking it will land in there. It can land into some page, or it can land into some URL, or it can land into some documents, email, phone number, or Lightbox. This is a very important thing, guys. I will show you what is a Lightbox. Okay. So I can go to add again. There are contact forms that you can choose. There are social icons that you can choose. There are Lightbox you can choose. So I will show you now the Lightbox and how you can manage the Lightbox. Suppose I want to know what is the price of this. Okay, for example, see here I want to do let's talk. On this let's talk, I want to configure a form. Whoever is liking to get in touch with me, a form will open up and he can fill up his address and phone number or anything I want to get from him, and that will be submitted to me. Okay, so for this what I need to create a Lightbox. So I will go to add again. From add I will go to Lightbox. From Lightbox I will need the contact form. From contact form I will select a contact form, anyone I like, suppose this one. And here you are coming to manage Lightboxes. Okay, here you can see what the default Lightbox will look like. It will be keep in touch, use this space to invite your visitors, name, email address, and the message, right? So you can set a trigger here. You can set it to appear automatically on pages, different pages that you like, or you can link this Lightbox to some button. So I can use that. I will show you how we do that. Within this form you can hit add new field. Suppose I want to add the phone number field as well. On the add new field you can scroll downward and click on phone. And you can see that the phone field has been added in here, right? So in this way you can add birthday, anniversary, or whatever you want to take from the user, and you can make the user submit them. Once this is done, you can click on the exit Lightbox. So I will click on this. Then I will click on the link, and on the link I will click Lightbox. On the Lightbox I have only one Lightbox so far, so I will select that and hit done. If there were multiple, I would have selected from one of them, right? So once all these are done, now in the similar way, just let me make a walkthrough. You can navigate to the service page. I have shown you home, our story as well. Now on the services page you can see there are different services listed. You can again change everything from here. You can change the images, you can change the text, you can change the text here as well. So guys, it's just drag and drop. You can do that very easily. And then we will show the contact page as well. Go to the contact page. It's nothing but a contact form which is given here, Wix form that I have shown already. You can add a new field from here, no issues. You can, this is a text field, this is a text field, and this is guys a map. I can show you how you can add a map. Okay, next in the section you can see Google Maps are there. You can also change this using manage location, and from there if you change this location it will automatically point to the location you want it to point, right? So guys, this was that easy. I had shown you everything regarding a Wix website. Also, if you want to add various videos, you can do it using here. Here is a video option from where you can select YouTube, Vimeo, and every other popular sites that are there. And also you can use your own videos to be uploaded on the website. But remember guys, there is a limitation to the site size. So keep an eye on that while uploading your own videos, right? So this was all about a beginner tutorial on Wix site, how it works. So once this is done, you can hit on the navigate and go back to your home page. And on the home page, you can also see how your entire site looks on in the mobile using this button. Okay, you can see the mobile outcome of your site, and now you can scroll it and see how it looks perfect, right? So guys, this was all about this, what you want. Now let us publish this site and make it visible over the web. So I will hit the publish. And you can see that, as I told you, that it will be by your email ID name and then followed by .wixsite.com, right? So it's done. Now you can hit on the view site button. That is exactly the way we created it, guys. So here is the Lightbox that we had configured to come on the home page. And we have also configured it to come on Let's Talk. So once I click on Let's Talk, you can see that the Lightbox is coming here. So guys, I hope this has cleared all your basic requirements of creating through a Wix website. The next time I will be giving you a training on what are the advanced topics of Wix websites and how you can use it to build your website in a SEO friendly way, right? So until then, stay safe, stay indoors, and keep investing or learning. Hope to meet you soon again. Thanks. Signing off, Shayan Rai from NKR Academy Digital Solutions.